Hey, welcome students. So today I'll show you how we can solve the JEE mathematics questions. Okay. So this was came in 2024 JEE mathematics, and we'll see that this kind of questions how easily we can solve, right? So the question was that the value of a and b is given through the limit. So a is the limit x tends to 0 with this expression, and b is given x tends to 0 with this expression. Right. The question is that then the value of a b to the power q is 25, 36, 32, and 30. So this is the JEE mathematics questions. Okay. So what we are going to do, if you see the pattern, in this kind of pattern we have to go for rationalizing the expression. Okay. So let's start doing on it. First this one. So a is equal to limit x tends to 0. If we rationalize this one, so it will be 1 plus 1 to the x to the power 4. If I rationalize, so this will be square minus root 2 square, right? In the denominator, it will come 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2. Clear? So you are doing the rationalizing here, and x to the power 4 will be there. Okay. So what next will happen? So it will be limit x tends to 0. So it will be 1 plus root over of 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay. Minus 2. And here it will come 1 plus 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus 1 plus x to the power 4 along with root, right, plus 2, plus root 2, fine, into x to the power 4. The next step, now what will be the third step? So this part will be limit x tends to 0, then 1 plus x to the power 4 minus 1, and denominator will be the same expression, this one, root over of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2 into x to the power 4. Okay. So we have received this part. Now next we have the x to the power 4 here in this denominator. So if I rationalize this again, we'll get some so we can omit the few part of this numerator. So let's do that. Okay, let's do that. So the next step will be, if I rationalize with the numerator, it will be limit x tends to 0, then 1 plus x to the power 4 minus 1. Okay. Now the denominator, it will be root over of the same part, root over of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2. It will be there along with this, the positive this one, right? So 1 plus root over of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1, then x to the power 4. Okay. So you are getting this. Now the next part will be, if I remove this and let me write here, it will be limit x tends to 0, then x to the power 4 by x to the power 4 and root over of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus root 2, then 1 plus x to the power 4 plus 1. Okay. Now safely we can put the value of x here. So x to the power 4 and x to the power 4, it will vanish. So it will be, now if I put the value of x here, what will come? We'll get root over of 1 plus root 2, plus root 2, and this will come 1 plus, okay, this will be 0, right? So x we are putting 0. So 1 by, this is 1 plus 1. So it will be root 2 plus root 2 into 1 plus 1 from here. So we are getting 1 by 2, 2 into 2 root 2, 2 into 2 root 2. So it will be 1 by 4 root 2. So you got the value of A. The value of A is 1 by 4 root 2. Clear? So next is the value of B. Fine. So what will be the value of B? So B is sine square x by this. So let us rationalize this part. So x tends to 0, then sine square x means 1 minus cos squared x. If we rationalize with this part, then root 2 plus 1 plus cos x, and here it will be root 2 square minus 1 plus cos x square. We did the rationalize, okay, with this both numerator and denominator. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos squared x into root 2 plus 1 plus cos x divided by, so this will be 2 minus 1 plus cos x. So it's coming 1 plus cos x, right? So it will come, initially it was cos x, it will come 1 minus cos x, right? 1 minus cos x. So 1 minus cos x. Now what happened? This is 1 minus cos x.